Are you looking for the best car interior cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car interior cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant from Chemical Guys actually cleans all interior surfaces and is safe to use on everything, including glass and screens. It's got great strength too, acing our butter test, see below. The cleaner also doubles as a protectant, meaning it'll shield your dashboard and other interior components from harmful UV rays. The only knock: we aren't a fan of the scent. It's strong. But if that doesn't bother you, you can't go wrong with this choice. Hot tip: a wipes version of Total Interior Cleaner is also available. While they aren't as strong as the spray, they're perfect for on-the-go cleaning and quick wipe downs. Just stash a pack in your glove box. Up next in the 4th place is the Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner Spray for car seats. For strong, no-frills cleaning power, look no further than Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner. We chose it as our 2nd best car interior cleaner for its simplicity and effectiveness, and because it's also safe for use on fabric and carpet. There's no scent, no residue, and its clear color gives us confidence that it won't stain. Griot's took off normal grime with ease and smashed our butter test. The comparatively large 22-ounce bottle is nice too, and should last a while. The only drawbacks: it doesn't work on screens or glass and lacks any UV protection. But we're willing to sacrifice that for the fantastic cleaning power and the compatibility with textiles. The 3rd product on our list is the Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer Cleaner. For those of us who want a quick, cheap spray to clean our car's interior, Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer does the trick. The cleaner works decently, passing our butter test and left behind neither streaks nor residue. It's not as strong as other cleaners on this list, and it has a slight scent, but it does feature a protecting agent to keep surfaces looking clean longer. This is a 24-ounce bottle, so it may be more than you need. But for a cheap, quick interior cleaner, this is the best budget choice. It's also available in handy wipe form. 2nd on our list is the Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes. If you need to clean your interior lickety-split, it's tough to beat the speed of these Armor All Cleaning Wipes. This container holds 50 wipes, but these pull-through openings often seem to result in pulling more than one sheet, so there's the potential for waste. For light dirt and grime, though, the wipes themselves are excellent. But they struggled against real messes and failed our butter test. The smell is very strong, and they do leave a slight residue behind which can cling to floating dust, making your cleaning job a waste of time. However, the convenience is unmatched. You'll just compromise the quality provided by more labor-intensive cleaners. Finally, the top product on our list is the Armor All Podium Series Medium Shine Protectant Spray. While not technically an interior cleaner, this bottle from Armor All and a cool branding partnership with Red Bull Racing features both cleaning and protective qualities. We were impressed with the cleaning power and slightly shiny finish without any residue. Our favorite thing about this cleaner was far and away the smell. It's like a nice cologne, and spraying this stuff in your car's interior is arguably better than an air freshener. The spray pattern and handle feel added even more wows in our testing. It's far from the strongest interior cleaner, but if a scent is important to you, this stuff is the top dog. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.